So next one we're going to do is radar charts, which is very straightforward. Two or more things can be compared, but it needs to be more than two. In this scenario, it's stats, attributes, but things that you're comparing. So two variables, I guess, in a sense. Can't really think of words right now, but it'll make sense as we do it. But in this scenario, I'm doing Mario Kart characters with their skill levels. Okay, so all you do is, if you have it organized like this, select it. Okay, insert. And it's not one of the standard ones. It used to be, but it's not now. So go to recommended charts and then go all charts. Okay, so once again, click on recommended charts and then all charts. Go down to radar. You can do ones with just lines. You can kind of preview it there. We're going to do ones like this that has shaded, okay, which sometimes can be hard to see, but I just want to use it as an example. Then hit OK. So once again, Metal Mario, Baby Mario, Bowser, and Peach. Okay. You can't really see exactly what's going on, so we're going to make it transparent. Okay, so click this, right click it, and you can say format data series. It should bring up the edit here. Okay, then click this, go to marker to start. Okay, we'll keep it yellow. And transparency, I like 50%. We want it yellow. Okay, and then click there. That's just the border. That's embarrassing. We gotta do fill. Okay, so do solid fill, do yellow. So once again, fill, solid fill, and then 50%. Okay, we want a line too. Okay, and we're gonna make that the same color, and then hit solid line. Okay, so we've updated that one, but now we have all these other ones that aren't transparent, so it looks kind of funny. So click the gray, go to line, or the paint, go to marker, make sure it's fill. Okay, we're going to change this color to green down here. Okay, undo solid fill, change it to green, and then transparency, make 50. Okay, and then for line, do solid line and change it to the green. Okay, then we're going to do the blue. Okay, paint, marker, fill, solid fill. We'll keep it up blue. Okay, transparency 50%. And go to line, solid line, and make it the same blue. Okay, now we have that, and we gotta just do the last one for Baby Mario. Paint. Okay, marker. Okay, and then you can do solid fill. It was orange, so let's keep that. Well, let's go red. Okay, red, and then 50%. Okay, then go to line, and then make it solid line, red. Okay, so you get the idea, and it's much better, easier to see. It's kind of hard because Metal Mario and Bowser have very similar attributes. I don't know if that makes any sense. I don't even know where this data is accurate that I got. Okay, you can change this chart title, Mario Kart character stats. Okay, so that's the radar chart. Now let's say you want to kind of start from scratch. Okay, or you just have data like this. Go there. Okay, insert, and you can do same thing. Recommended charts, all charts, radar. Okay, let's just do this time. I don't want to spend as much time on this. And then if you go to select data, okay. Actually, before that, I want to get rid of this numbers. I don't think you need that. Okay. Obviously, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then select data, and then for this, the horizontal, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, go edit and select speed. Okay. And so that adds that titles, and then each of these you have to edit separately. But this series name is D7 through G7, which is Metal Mario. Okay, series 2, edit, Baby Mario. Series 3, edit, Bowser. So you're changing the series name. Okay, so it changes the label on the plot. Okay, I'm just trying to show you. If you like are confused and doesn't work out perfectly, you can add it all on your own. Okay. So once again, and this is sometimes easier to see. This one just kind of looks better sometimes, but that's kind of preference. Okay. So once again, this is radar charts, which you're gonna have to do in your last assignment too. Okay. But pretty straightforward, similar to other plots.